Good morning everyone, welcome back. I'm at it again. We're building another bed. This one is for the kid and guests that want to come and stay in the trailer. It's a 75 inches, so the same length as a regular twin, but it's 8 inches narrower, so it's 30 inches. So we're going to be building it on this wall here. This wall, we used to have a bed that we'd pop up for him. You can buy them. It's a kiddo bunk, they call it. It's a 2-level bunk. The top we use for storage. The bottom is where he would sleep. We put a sheet over it so it's dark in there and he wasn't disturbed, but that's just not working for us. So I'd like to have something on the wall that actually flips down and flips back up out of the way, but also we can use it as a table or storage. So it's multi-purpose. So make sure to keep watching and see how I put this bed together. Okay, so now we're in the garage here, and I got this frame cut by a local metal fabricating place locally. They cut all my 45s, they cut my wall brackets, I had them do everything. So now I brought it home and I just have to clean up the angle iron. This is 2" by 2" angle iron. I made it about 1 inch longer, so 76 inches long and 31 inches wide, just for a little bit of play when we put the mattress in. So we've cleaned it all up, and now we're gonna spot weld it. And then once we've done that, we can weld it up nicely, clean up our welds, flip it over, and I can put the 2 middle braces in, and then also the round bar, which will swivel. And I'll explain that to you in a little bit. Okay, so right now I clamped on what will be the wall bracket, which will be eventually attached to angle iron. But right now I'm just trying to line up my pipe. This pipe will be used for the swivel or hinge. So right now, I'm going to line up the pipe, and then the pipe is going to be stationary, so once I get it measured correctly, I'll tack it to the frame, and I'll do that on both ends. As you can see, we got another piece in the middle welded, and we have a cross member in the center holding everything together. We have our 3/4 inch flanges. These are black iron pipe flanges. Now that we have everything painted, welded, sanded, we're going to take it into the trailer and mount it on the wall. So we're just test fitting the bed here. The water jug is just our support on the wall. We are going to cut these ends off quite small, but again, I didn't want to cut it because I didn't know exactly where the frame was. So next thing we're going to do is make sure it's even from left to right, and then we can mount the wall brackets. So here's our rod. It runs underneath the bed to the other side. Here's the wall bracket that's bolted to the frame with 3 bolts, and then this piece is bolted to the 2" by 2" angle iron. We used a gear clamp on either side to stop the pole from sliding out, and a cap, a 1/2 inch PVC cap on the end, just to stop from anyone catching on here. So with this, we are able to lift up the bed. We're just going to lift it up now, so you can see how that rotates. Although the bed frame and the wall brackets are all done in metal and welded, this is just a hobby. I'm not an actual welder, and this could very easily be done with just wood and some 2x6s on the wall, and you can use a pipe with wood as well, and there are straps that you can strap pipes to the bed frame to do a similar kind of hinge style. So although it's done in metal, it can be very easily done with wood. Okay, so for the legs, I kept it pretty simple. I just used black iron pipe, and we used 2 3/4 inch flanges with a 3/4 inch pipe, and I used a block on the end. I can always make this higher if I need to, depending on the floor, but for travel, these just come out and we can store them away. So for the bottom, I used a piece of flat steel and a 1" by 1" angle iron, and that just makes the bed strong, and I used a piece of 3/8 plywood as the plywood for the bed to go on. Okay, so with the bed all put together, we got the mattress on. This is a 6" mattress. I probably should have went with a 5", so it's a bit tight, but when you flip it up, and so we have straps that'll run around, so we can strap the bed in, and then we can take out the legs for traveling. So here's the bed in the upright position. It's super easy. We'll just take the legs and we'll thread in the legs on either side. Doesn't have to go in all the way, just till it's snug. Get the other leg in. With both legs in, we can take off the strap that we use for traveling. So with both straps off, the bed falls down and it's ready to be used. Just want to thank everybody for watching my videos. We're getting a lot of subscribers and I really appreciate everybody watching and commenting. If you have any questions or have suggestions, please put them in the comments below. If you're looking for anything that I used on today's video, make sure to check out the description below. I'll list them all there. Thank you and have a great day.
Please like and subscribe to BC Backwaters.